In this BigCRM video guide, I will introduce the dashboard, and I will briefly explain how to find all the useful data it contains. The BigCRM dashboard contains 5 main sections: ticket, feedback, review, sales, and account health. The ticket analytics gives you an overview of your tickets for the past 30 or 90 days, including the variation from the previous period. The data available is new tickets created, solved and unsolved tickets, sent and received messages, messages sent through the auto-reply feature, and average response time. In the lower section, you can check the same data for the past 7, 30, or 90 days, filtered by ticket type, channel, and agent. Filtering by agent can help you monitor your agent's or virtual assistant's performance. The feedback analytics gives you an overview of the feedback received in the past 30 or 90 days. You can see the number of negative, neutral, and positive feedback, the amount of negative feedback removed, and the number of orders received. You can also check the feedback rating chart and the list of buyers with most negative or positive feedback. Be aware that to be able to import positive feedback, you need to set up the positive feedback integration. The review analytics gives you an overview of the product reviews received. To have any data available, you need to turn on the review tracker for some listings. By default, BigCRM offers free tracking for 5 listings. If you want to track more listings, you can subscribe to the Review Manager add-on. The data available in the dashboard is the number of positive, neutral, and negative reviews received for the tracked agents, the number of negative reviews removed, and an overview of the last 10 negative or neutral reviews received. The sales analytics gives you an overview of your sales performance for the last 7 days to 1 year. With metrics such as total sales, total orders, total units, average sales, and unit per order. Additionally, the sales page also offers information on best-selling items and most frequent buyers, both sortable by units ordered or sales generated. Lastly, the account health analytics gives you an overview of your seller's metrics, and it can be used to check if your store is currently following Amazon's requirements. With metrics such as order defect rate, cancellation rate, on-time delivery, and more, you can always check if you're within the acceptable parameters or not, thanks to the green tick or the red X. You can also set an alert notification that can inform you when one of the Amazon store metrics fails to meet the performance targets. This concludes the video about the BigCRM's dashboard. If you require assistance setting up your account, please contact BQool support on our live chat or write an email to support@bqool.com for further assistance.